Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily update Google Chrome to the latest version on your Android device. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, the first thing you can do to update the Google Chrome browser is to simply head over to the Google Play Store, and once you're on this page you'll have to search for Chrome, and after that you'll have to open Google Chrome, and if it says update instead of open you will simply have to tap on update and it will be updated to the latest version. But in some cases you have updated your Google Chrome browser from Play Store, but you still don't have access to the latest features, and in that case you'll have to head over to the settings of your Android and then go to the apps section, and after that you'll have to tap on see all apps, and right here you'll be able to find all the apps that have been installed on your phone, and you'll have to look for Google Chrome and open it, and then you'll have to tap on storage and cache, and then you'll have to tap on clear cache, and after that you'll have to tap on clear storage, and then you'll have to go to the Play Store once again, and you'll have to once again search for Google Chrome, and it will give you an option of update, and then you'll have to tap on update, and your app will be forced updated to the latest version. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.